Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Tesla stock, Lucid stock, and Rivian stock to determine which one is the best stock to buy. I'm going to look across 5 different metrics, so let's get right into it, starting with revenue, trailing 12-month TTM, and it just goes to highlight the different league that Tesla is in compared to these newer EV startups. Look at Tesla's revenue, 81.5 billion compared to just 1 billion for Rivian and 376 million for Lucid, as they are just getting underway ramping up production. Next, I wanted to show you the operating profit margin trailing 12 months. And again, it goes to highlight the progress that Tesla has made already, increasing its operating profit margin from a little less than 5% all the way up to 16.98%. Best in class operating margins compared to negative 618% for Lucid, negative 716% for Rivian. Again, they're just now getting underway, ramping up production. It's going to take time for these companies to reach profitability, to reach positive profit margins. The next metric I wanted to look at is cash flow from operations, again trailing 12 months, and again showing Tesla's dominance in this metric, 14.7 billion, although it's down from its peak, while Lucid and Rivian going in the opposite direction, negative 1.9 billion, negative 4.69 billion, and Tesla again showing that it takes time to start generating positive cash flow, profits, and all of this. It's not an easy thing to ramp up vehicle production, to start from scratch and have this entirely new company that produces and sells cars. The next metric I wanted to look at is inventories, and Tesla, you could see its inventory is rising rapidly from a little over 3 billion to up over 12.84 billion. Rivian a little less than 300 million up to 949 million, and Lucid up to 685 million. Again, this highlights the ramping of production across all EV manufacturers, and it also goes to highlight that competition is increasing and it's causing some of these cars to sit on their inventory, on their theoretical shelves, longer than these companies would like them to be. Tesla, of course, has announced major price cuts. Lucid just recently announced a price cut. Ford announced a price cut for its EVs. So EV car companies are slashing prices in an effort to get rid of some of this excess inventory, which could become a problem now that these companies have all spent hundreds of millions and billions of dollars to ramp up production, and now they're finding out that, oh man, we got to lower prices just to sell these cars. We thought customer demand was infinite. We thought that so long as we produce, they're going to buy it, and they're finding out that's not the case. Finally, I wanted to look at their valuation, and I chose to use the price to sales forward ratio because neither Lucid or Rivian is profitable. And looking at this metric, Lucid is the most expensive at a forward price to sales of 8.18. Tesla is in the middle at 6.493, and Rivian is the least expensive in this metric at 3.521. So after I've gone through all of these metrics and compared these three companies together, I've come to the conclusion that Tesla is the best EV stock to buy between these three. It's demonstrated economies in scale. It's demonstrated it can deliver excellent cash flow from operations, while the other two have excellent potential, but have yet to prove that potential out. So for now, I'm going with Tesla as the best EV stock to buy between these three. All right, thank you for watching. That's all I've got for this video. I will see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.